Guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Nikki here with another video. I'm so happy to be back with you guys, and I'm happy to be making videos again, and you'll be seeing a lot more of me for 2020. So today I am actually here because I don't know if you guys know this, but I've been struggling to film, and one of the reasons why is because my ring light, not my ring light itself, but my tripod, like out of nowhere it just collapsed on me. So that was just like the starting point of me not recording and not making videos. Like I just didn't feel like setting up, didn't feel like doing anything because it was just such a hassle to even set up for video. So today I'm very happy about the video that I'm making because for Christmas I was actually gifted a ring light. So today I just kind of wanted to do like an unboxing on camera with you guys. I did actually unbox it on Christmas because I was so excited, so I opened it up and set it up, but I want you guys to see it on camera like I did with my last one. If you guys want to see me unbox this ring light, please stay tuned. Okay, so the ring light that I purchased is by the company called Ubeesize, and it came in this box, and once you open up the box, there's another little box inside which has the actual light in it. Then you have your tripod, and then you have some more hardware that came with the ring light. And I also had this manual that came inside the box. So this was the 10-inch ring light with a tripod, the TR50. And as you can see, you can set it up for your camera without the ring light or your phone. I don't think that there's a way to do it with the ring light and the camera and phone, so it's just either or. And then it comes with all this hardware, as you can see on the manual. So I'm gonna open up the actual light. Open this up, and it comes in this cute little bag. Super cute. And when you open up the bag, this is the light. So it's a pretty decent size. It's 10 inches, which is pretty decent, especially if you do a lot of travel and you vlog. This is a pretty good size for a ring light. And also, as you can see, which is different from my last one, it has a USB ending instead of a actual like power cord. So this would be plugged into any like power box, a laptop, a cable box, anything that has power you can plug the USB into. And then also it has a few different switches for settings. So this is the on and off button. This is the where you adjust the light to go a little dimmer. This is to change the type of light, and this is for the light to go brighter. So that's pretty cool, and I'll show you guys more of that when I actually power it up. I have my actual tripod, which is pretty cool. So it's just a standard tripod. The legs look pretty strong, which I'm happy about. So if you are going to be using this with just your camera and you have a heavier camera, this is perfect because the legs are nice and sturdy. So I think that the tripod is, I guess that's what the TR50 stands for, so I'm guessing it's 50 inches. So I'm just gonna show you how long the tripod extends. And it goes up pretty high. And of course it has your ending where you could put your camera or your phone. And then I just recently found this out, but this little part over here has liquid in it, and the bubble in the liquid will show you if your tripod is even or not. So that is pretty cool. I did not realize that until I started looking at some of my old tripods and realized that they all have that liquid in it, and that will really help you to gauge whether or not the device that you're shooting on is even. So that's pretty cool. So yeah, that's the tripod. And then in this little box, you have a little remote that you can set up with either iOS or Android. So if you want to take like selfies, or you don't feel like getting up, you could just use this with Bluetooth to set up with your phone. And it also came with 2 of these. So now for how the tripod works, well, the ring light. So I'm just gonna set it up on like a decent one so you guys can see. So for me, I'm going to use my laptop to power this light up. But you guys can use, again, any power source. So as you can see, the power button is lit up. So once you press the power button, the light is on. And this is at the brightest setting. So this is pretty bright. So now I want to show you guys how it looks on my face when I'm filming, so you could see the different temperatures and just see like a real feel of it. Alright guys, so I am back, and this is the ring light on my face. So I want you guys to see what it does for like a video. Well, I have my windows open right now. So what I'm gonna do is I'm going to close my windows so you guys can see how it illuminates without light factoring in. And of course there's going to be some light, but it's not going to be a lot. I just want you guys to see what the ring light does itself. Okay, so I closed my window blinds and I am in my room. No natural light, no artificial light. And I'm going to show you guys what the ring light does in terms of lighting. So mind you, I'm going to turn this on, and it's going to be on the cool setting. So this is it at its brightest. Got right in the middle. That's it at its brightest. Then I'm gonna turn it down a notch. Another. And I have to say, I'm very impressed with the light that it gives off. I'm going to switch to the warm setting. So this is it at its dimmest light. And I'm just gonna go up so you guys can see what it looks like. So I'm gonna switch to the next light setting, which is this is the warm. Alright, so I don't know what I just did. This is the warm. This is the warm setting. Which, this is is nice. I like this. This could be for like a story time type of light. This is not like beauty. This is like story time. You know what I mean? You know what I mean? So this is the cool, which is, this could be for like techie videos. This is like tech. This is for beauty. I like this one. So yeah guys, this is what the ring light looks like. I feel like with the different settings of lights, it really will help with setting the tone. Again, this is the Ubeesize ring light. Again, like I said, this is a gift, so I will put all the details down below. I'm gonna have to do my research. I know that it's from Amazon, so I'm gonna do my research on there. I'm gonna put all the specs down below. And if you guys are thinking about buying a ring light, starting a YouTube channel, buying a camera, using your phone to film, let me know down below. And until next time.